Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you this basketball court that I made in miniature. So I hope that you enjoy the details. Now what inspired me to make this was that basketball hoop that I bought at the Dollar Tree. Now it's a little bit oversized for them, but being that it's raised and they are tall, they're on the ground, it still works. Mixing the sizes still works in certain creations. Now that radio is also oversized because it's a Barbie radio. It does not fit in the creations that I make in my doll houses. But for this creation in specific, it does work. So I bought these sports players at a community yard sale for just $5. I paid $5 for all 5. Now the basketball hoop is from the Dollar Tree, and I have the packaging here. It says mini basketball hoop, outdoor fun. Even though it says mini, I don't see it that mini because it is oversized. But like I said, it works for them. So as the ground, the flooring, what I did was I went into Google to see what it would look like, and I ended up making the lines and the circles with a black marker, and that is just a green piece of decorative paper. That's all that is. So yeah, so the radio is a Barbie radio. I got them at the community yard sale for just $5, and the basketball hoop is from the Dollar Tree. So I had gotten them first, but then when I got the basketball hoop, I said, oh, this completes the idea that I have for a basketball court. So it all worked, and I'm glad that I found that. Now the board, I had to attach it to another piece. This brown piece with those trees, that's a candle holder. You can put the little candles in there. So I just needed that to hold up this piece. You know what I'm saying? And you can see right through that piece. So being that we're outdoors, this is real. You can see all the way to the far end over there. You can see more trees and grass, which is all that. So this is on my driveway. Being that it's paved, it was great for this idea. I hope that you have enjoyed all the details, and thank you so much for watching.